Greeting course 1511 and course 1512 student. So today I'm going to introduce you to an exam preparation for course 1511 and 1512. So in this exam preparation is going to start today on the 14th of August 2023. So in this exam preparation we are going to deal with the question papers. We are going to deal with all the concept that you need to know in order for you to get the distinctions. So the class is going to start at 7 p.m. exactly every day, Monday to Friday. So let me just take you through on the previous year what happens and how people benefited in this and how the class are going to be conducted. So in this class, we're going to be dealing with question papers. So I'm going to teach you guys how to answer the question paper. So just look at the preview of the previous year, how we did it.
So this is the code int A and then C in A. When you say C in A, the user is going to enter 5 as indicated. Switch A. So when you say 5, when the user enter 5, you can see here we are working with the cases, case 1, case 2, case 3, case 5. So it's going to come straight here to case 5. When it comes to straight case 5, it found this statement says A equals to plus plus A plus 10. So plus plus A, it increment this 5 same time. It's going to be, say, 6 plus 10, which is going to give you 16. So when it gives you 16, it goes to case 6. Because there is no break, it's going to also go to case 6. Case 6 is 16. In case 6, it's going to divide by 2.
So I'm going to take you to course 1512. We don't just deal only with the question papers, but we also explain. I will be explaining all the concept. For example, in course 1512, you might be working with the C strings. You might want to know more what is all about the C string, what do you really have to know about the C string, what is all about the null character, the slash o, how do you use it, and what is the difference between the C string and what is the difference between the C string and the array. So this is going to help you. So this is a preview of the previous videos that the exam preparation was happening for course 1511 supplementary exam preparation classes for C string. So let's just play it and you hear a little bit about how it was happening. If you look at the left hand side, right hand side, you will see that these are the students that who joined. So there were many students who were joining. So the class is going to be fantastic. You are going to be able to chat with your student, to communicate, to share ideas. And then in this class, I don't just lecture the classes, but I make sure that you guys, you interact, you ask questions about things that you don't understand. So let's just get to the preview of the previous class exam preparation for last year.
And the order, you might think maybe it's a two things, but it's a single character. It's just a single character. The single character. So we also, the same way when you're using slash n, your slash n also is a single character for end line. So in every time when you are working with a string, you must accommodate this three single character or the null character. So if, for example, I will just use a name, my name, I can write maybe brilliant there. When you write brilliant, if let's say I just did this one, I just want to erase that, you can see that here in my name it have 1 2 3 4. Then you, instead of writing, you must also, if it's C string, like it's for string concatenation. But
so in this exam preparation class, we don't just teach only, as I've said, and we don't just deal with only one question paper. So we are going to make sure that we do all the questions, as many questions as possible. So we're going to start with question paper like 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022. And then the other thing that we check, we're still going to even go further in such a way that we're even gonna go to 2018, 2017, and also if possible we can also do question paper if we have them for 2015. So probably I have a lot of question papers that we're still going to do. So let me just also take you to a review about last year when we were doing, I think this was course 1511 2019 exam paper, and then also I'm going to take you another review when we're doing course 1512 exam paper. So let's just play a little and you see what happens in the class.
The only word that is taken here in this word here, yeah, you see the problem part when I think I will have to stop as long as you're gonna be hearing what is going on. Then we have to find this name, that side. So if you know it, you cannot take the whole 5 minutes for 1 mark.
So guys, the exam preparation is starting today, Monday, 7 p.m. You are welcome to join, and the price for the whole month for 30 days is going to be 700 rand. So it's discounted. So if you are willing, if you want to join the classes, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also if you want to join the classes, WhatsApp me 072 3373640. My WhatsApp group is going to be under the description, and also the cell phone number for my WhatsApp. If you want to WhatsApp, they will be in under description. So you are welcome to start WhatsApping me now, and then book for your space, and then I will be able to answer you as soon as you you text me in your WhatsApp. I'm gonna respond to your message. So feel free to subscribe also to this YouTube channel, and feel free to ask any questions that you might need to know. If you want to go to private to ask, you can WhatsApp me 07233 then I will be available to answer any questions that you want to know about this exam preparation. See you at 7 p.m. today, starting Monday. Have a good day. Bye.